Welcome everybody to Autodesk Inventor tutorial. My name is Mr. Galindo. We're going to be looking at the circle, arc and point tools today. In sketch mode, which is where we are currently, you can see under the sketch tab on the ribbon, under the create panel, there is 3 circle tools, 3 arc tools and the point tool here. Creating circles is relatively straightforward, and for the most part you'll only use the center point method. To do this, you simply select circle, click on the center point for your circle and drag it out. You'll notice that I can click to specify a size, or if I want it to be specific, type it in with my keyboard. You'll notice here that we're using radius to create this size of the circle as a dimension. If I right click, I can select diameter and do the exact same thing. Creating arcs is also just as straightforward. To start with, we're going to be looking at the first of 3 tools, the 3-point arc tool. To create a 3-point arc, you select the start point, the end point, and then you move the 3rd point in and out to specify the radius. Again, this can be done using mathematics and just typing in the number. The second option is the arc tangent tool. This creates another arc stemming from an existing line at a tangent to the original line. So, by selecting a point here, you can see how an arc tangent line can be created. And this can be used in a myriad of ways, not just from existing arcs but also from lines. The arc center point is, as the name suggests, based on a center point first. We select the center point and then the radius, and then we drag out the size with the 3rd click of our arc. All of these are arc functions and circle functions. The point tool we select and can very usefully create single points within geometry that don't have any value except for specifying a position. For example, in this sketch here, I can start a center point circle straight away from this point and know that it will be exactly 3 millimeters from either side here. Also, when you've got a 3D object and a sketch already placed on it with some points, it is very useful because it will automatically center holes on those points, as you can see here, which means that you can use point sketches to very quickly place holes in the exact correct spot. Thank you for listening. That was another Inventor tutorial specifying the sketch tools.